last night on WFTV Tonight.
The buildup of anxiety and questions for the first day of school in Orange County is now in the books.
Quite frankly, we thought it went phenomenally well.
But ask some parents.
My daughter was trying to get them both set up and it wasn't working.
There were some hurdles. The school district and Canvas are making adjustments to make every day smoother than the next.
So we know when the surges come.
And will be better prepared for it Tuesday.
And even better the next day. So it'll get better with time.
Catch the show weeknights at 11